You know, there is a common misconception that to be successful with GoHighlevel, you have to sell every single feature that it offers. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, it's a mistake that a lot of beginners make. They try to sell everything, every automation, social media post scheduler, auto missed call text back, Google reviews, and text messaging, the whole lot. But what really makes a difference is a much more targeted approach. You see, the real professionals know what they're doing. They don't overwhelm their clients by offering all of the features at once. Instead, they figure out exactly what the client needs. Maybe it's more reviews, maybe it's more leads, or perhaps it's something very specific like website conversion optimization. They find that one key thing, that 20% effort that will make 80% of the difference for the client. By narrowing down on that one thing, they ensure that they're really adding value. Now think about it like this. If you walk into a client meeting and you start presenting feature after feature, they're going to feel overwhelmed. They might think, well, this sounds like a lot more work for me. And if they feel that way, they won't buy from you. Business owners are already busy and they need you to come in as an expert. Focus on solving one specific issue and show them how it'll make things easier for them. Now, once they're on board, you can gradually introduce other features as added value. Now, some of you might wonder, well, what if the client has multiple issues and not all of them are a fit for GoHighlevel? The key is that during those initial conversations, you are not trying to sell everything. Instead, find out what they feel they need the most help with. For instance, if you have only 7 Google reviews while their competitors have 70, 80, or even 90, that's an easy opportunity. You could pull up their Google map and ask, would you choose your business over a competitor with 10 times more reviews? Now this helps them understand the need for a solution. Or let's say the problem lies with lead follow-up. Ask them about their current process. How often do you follow up with a lead? Just once? Do you call them back if they don't answer? Do you send a text, leave a voicemail, send an email? Chances are they're doing very little to follow up with those leads. That's another opening for you to provide a valuable service with GoHighlevel. Something simple yet effective that solves a pain point that they didn't even know they had. I'll be honest, I learned this the hard way. When I first got started, I lost clients because I didn't understand this concept. I remember trying to sell a website service to a local business owner and going way too deep into the technical details. I'd talk about where I'd put their contact form, how I'd code the images, and even where the site would be hosted. I could see the confusion in their eyes. They were overwhelmed. And when I finally talked about pricing, they wanted discounts because they felt like they didn't need all of those extra things that I'd mentioned. Instead, what I should have done was just kept it simple. I could have said, now this website will help you get more customers. It'll convert visitors into paying clients. That's what they actually cared about, getting more appointments, more customers, more sales. If I had just focused on that benefit, I would have been much more successful. Another great example is when a client is tired of following up with leads manually. Maybe all they really need is a calendar integration, something that you can easily set up with GoHighlevel. You can install a form, add live chat, and direct leads to schedule their own appointments on a calendar. Now this is simple yet incredibly valuable. That one feature, just forwarding people to a calendar, could easily become a $300 per month service. And the best part is that it's not even complicated. You're solving a real problem in an easy way, which the client can clearly see and appreciate. So let's dive into some of the features that I found to be the most profitable for both digital marketing agencies and their clients. So I've worked with many different clients, and after countless projects, I've realized that a handful of GoHighlevel features really stand out as major value drivers. Focusing on these can help you maximize your success and your clients. The first GoHighlevel feature that we'll discuss is called a DR campaign, which stands for database reactivation. So let me show you how it works and why it's so effective. Essentially, a DR campaign takes an old list of leads and past customers from your clients and reaches out to them through text messages and voicemails, followed by a follow-up message to get them booked for appointments. all without spending any money on ads. Think of it like we import a list of past leads or customers and then send them a text message followed by a voicemail and maybe even a follow-up SMS. The goal is to generate new business by reactivating those old leads. Now, this approach is extremely valuable because you can charge your clients thousands of dollars for this service. In one of my first experiences running a DR campaign for a roofing client, we got 3 or 4 appointments for estimates, and out of those, they secured a $10,000 roofing job. Now, this made it easy for us to sell a $2,000 a month marketing package afterward. The best part of DR campaigns is that they're easy for the clients to understand. There's no overwhelming complexity. They just log in, see the dashboard, and start seeing results without much risk. Clients appreciate the simplicity and the results that they get. To give you an example of how a DR campaign might look, we once ran a simple campaign for a roofing client. It wasn't our most advanced campaign, but it worked well. The message was something like this. Hey John, this is Jeremy from ABC Roofing. We're giving away a few roofing coupons this month for our New Year's special. Only 4 left. Reply with yes if you want one. Our current campaigns are more advanced, but this basic version still works effectively and delivers results for clients. If they don't respond within 24 hours, we drop them a voicemail. If they still don't respond, we send them an SMS message that says, hey, did you see our text? The simple follow-up process keeps the conversation going and improves engagement rates. One important thing to remember is that you need a reason to reach out. For example, we used the New Year's special. You can find any reason, a holiday, a promotion, or even excess inventory to make the outreach feel more authentic. It's more effective to say, we're having a New Year's special and getting rid of old supplies, rather than simply, we're offering 10% off. It feels more genuine and clients respond better to these kinds of offers. By using DR campaigns, you're able to provide value without relying on expensive ads, and you're helping your clients make the most of their existing customer lists. This feature can easily become a key offering in your service package and bring in substantial revenue for both you and your clients. So the second feature is the review campaign. Unfortunately, I can't show you specific examples since it involves sensitive data like real customer names, but let me explain how it works. We take a list of past customers and we send them SMS messages or emails asking them to leave a review. Now, you can even offer them an incentive for leaving a review if you'd like. Every business wants more reviews, case studies, and testimonials. Reviews are powerful social proof and they're easy to sell as a service. To sell this, you can start by looking up clients' competitors on Google. Ask them who their competitors are, or just do a quick search in their niche and city. The top competitors probably have 70, 80, or even 100 reviews. Even if they only have 30 or 40 reviews, that's still more than a client who has just 3 or 4. Now, this makes it an easy sell because the benefits are so obvious. Now, you can tell the client, who would you rather work with? Someone with 3 reviews or someone with 80 reviews? Are you okay with having fewer reviews even though you've been in business longer than your competitors? This makes the value of more reviews very clear, and it almost sells itself. Reviews are a type of social proof that businesses can use in many ways. They can add them to follow-up emails, landing pages, their websites, and more. It's easy to show how reviews can lead to more revenue for the business owner. Everyone wants more positive feedback, and it helps build trust with potential customers. With review campaigns, you're helping clients improve their online reputation, which in turn drives more business. It's another simple but highly effective feature that brings great results for both you and your clients. The next important feature is lead source reporting. Business owners are extremely busy and they often don't have time to track where each lead is coming from. When we talk to clients, they often say things like, the front desk usually asks how they found us, but that data usually goes nowhere. If you ask a business owner how many website submissions they received in the last 30 days, how many leads came from Facebook, or how many calls come from Google My Business, they typically don't know. And if you ask how many of those deals turned into paying customers, they're just as unsure. Lead source reporting can solve this problem. It gives your clients a clear picture of where their leads are coming from and how effective each channel is. For instance, you can track how many leads came from Google Ads versus Facebook ads or website forums. If your client sees that Google Ads are bringing in more valuable leads compared to Facebook, they can adjust their marketing strategy accordingly. Now, this data is crucial for helping them make informed decisions about their advertising budget. Even if your client is already running ads with someone else, you can still offer lead tracking as a separate service. It adds a lot of value by showing what's actually working. For example, if they see that Facebook only brought in one $7,000 lead, while Google brought in 16 leads worth almost $500,000, they'll know where to focus their budget. Lead source reporting helps track various lead channels like website form submissions, live chat, phone calls, and more. Without proper tracking, businesses could be missing out on significant revenue. For instance, if they didn't have live chat, they might not realize how much revenue they're losing by not responding to customers in real time. Providing this kind of reporting helps clients see which marketing efforts are working and which aren't, allowing them to make better decisions. It's a powerful tool that adds value to your role as a marketing consultant and helps clients get more from their marketing spend. Also, if you want to get started with GoHighlevel, you can use my link. I'll give you a full course on how I find clients, how I close deals, and all the step-by-step strategies that you need from A to Z to deliver and service clients effectively. Plus, you can grab some really great bonuses like premium Notion templates worth over $900, all of that for free just for using my link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Another incredibly valuable feature is the Conversations tab. Now, I can't show you an exact example here because it contains a lot of sensitive data, but let me tell you how useful it is. The Conversations tab centralizes all client communications, meaning you can track messages from different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, and more, all in one place. So business owners are usually too busy to keep checking all of these different platforms. Even if they have someone to do it, like an assistant or salesperson, it can take too long to respond. And by the time they do, the customer may have already gone to a competitor. Now, this is where the Conversations tab becomes extremely powerful. With all communications in one place, your client can easily keep track of every interaction. Whether it's a message from Facebook, Instagram, or Google My Business, it's all in the same spot, so nothing gets missed. Clients can respond quickly, which improves their chances of winning new customers. And even better, they can do this from a mobile app. Just one tab to check and they see all of their messages. Initially, clients might see the value in having everything centralized, but once they start using the Conversations tab, they realize how much time and effort it saves them. Now, they no longer need to log into multiple platforms or worry about missing a lead. It simplifies their communication process and helps them respond to potential customers faster, which is crucial for closing more deals. Now, this feature adds immense value, not just by saving time, but also by increasing responsiveness and customer satisfaction. It helps to make sure that every lead is handled quickly, which leads to more conversions. If you offer this feature to your clients, you're making things easier for them and helping them grow their business. Another super profitable feature that I have found to work exceptionally well is automatic lead responses, which is also managed within the Conversations tab. As soon as a lead comes in, it is crucial to reach out to them immediately. With automatic lead responses, you can send a text message to the lead right away and notify your client at the same time. Now, this is incredibly effective in keeping potential customers engaged. Imagine a potential customer reaching out to a plumber who is busy on a job and can't respond right away. With automatic responses, that lead receives a prompt message which keeps them engaged until the plumber is available to follow up. Now, this is a game changer as clients instantly see the value of this feature because responding to leads as quickly as possible is essential for closing more deals. Even if they're busy, some form of communication is started, making the lead feel attended to and familiar with the business. Now, what makes it even better is if you integrate appointment booking into this process. I highly recommend setting up a funnel with a calendar feature. Now, this means that you can integrate your client's Google Calendar directly into the system, allowing you to not only follow up with leads, but also push them toward booking an appointment automatically. Instead of saying, here are a bunch of leads for you to text, you can say, we've set up an appointment calendar so that leads can automatically book a time that works for them. Now, this takes the burden off of your client and it adds immense value to the service that you're offering. If you're wondering how well this works, one of the best strategies is to book an initial phone consultation. Now, this means that instead of the lead just being contacted, they book a time to actually speak with your client. When your client checks their phone, they see scheduled call appointments like call Susie at 1 p.m. or call Joe at 3 p.m. Now, this makes their day more organized and saves them time. Even if it's not an in-person consultation, just having a scheduled phone call makes a huge difference. The client loves this feature because it simplifies their work process and gives them a clear structure for follow-up. Another aspect is using AI for appointment booking. Right now, we use simple automations that just say, book an appointment here. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll get right back to you. But with AI, we want to take it further. Imagine an AI having a full conversation with a lead, asking questions and booking the appointment, all without needing a separate calendar link. For example, the AI could ask, how about 4 p.m. tomorrow? And if the lead agrees, the AI books it in the calendar automatically. Now, this level of automation could make a huge difference in the future. It would allow businesses to respond faster, handle leads more effectively, and ultimately convert more leads into customers, all while saving valuable time for both the business and the client. Now, last but not least, we have the Opportunities tab. Now, this feature is incredibly powerful because it gives your client a clear overview of everything happening in their business. They can easily see which leads are coming in, which leads have responded, and which leads haven't been answered. So they know where the follow-ups are needed. They can also track who has booked an appointment, who received a quote but didn't proceed, and much more. All of this data is tracked, making it easy to see the value of each lead and the opportunities that still need attention. So the Opportunities tab also helps clients understand how much potential revenue is still on the table and which leads need extra attention. It allows them or their sales team to track progress and prioritize follow-ups. Now, this level of organization is incredibly valuable. In the same way we use GoHighlevel for our clients, you should use it for your own agency. All of our client communication is managed inside the Conversations tab, and one feature I absolutely love is the scheduling option. Now, this allows you to schedule text to be sent automatically. If a lead says, text me tomorrow at 2 p.m. or text me Thursday at 4 p.m., you can set it up so the message goes out exactly at that time. So thanks for sticking with me throughout this video. I hope that you found these GoHighlevel features useful and that you understand how they can really drive value for your digital marketing agency. Now, if you're interested in getting started with GoHighlevel and you want to unlock those powerful tools for yourself, I have an incredible offer for you. By using my affiliate link in the description below, you'll not only get access to GoHighlevel, but I will also provide you with a complete course on how I find my clients, close my deals, and deliver exceptional service step by step. So this course covers everything from A to Z so that you have all the knowledge that you need to succeed. Plus, when you sign up through my link, you will get exclusive bonuses like premium Notion templates, which are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free. So if you're ready to take your digital marketing agency to the next level, click the link in the description and get started with GoHighlevel today. Don't miss out on these bonuses. They're available, but only for a limited time.